Hi, I am Mark from Lockspedia. So today we are going to take a look at how we replace a doorknob. So this is the internal end of the doorknob and this is an external. This is called the faceplate. So this, if you see, this is without the visible screws. So what we are going to do is we are going to take off this rose plate and then hopefully screws will be behind it. So let me just take out. This is a small opening. So what we'll do is, this is like an awl. So we just apply pressure here and then it comes out, right? So this is what it looks like. Now what happens is, this is a rose plate. Now if we just rotate it, this will come out. Now if you see, here are the two screws, right? This is one screw and this is another screw. So using the Phillips screwdriver, let us just unscrew them. And this is the second screw. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to just take off the faceplate. We'll use Phillips screwdriver once again. So now what we are going to do is just rotate it, and this is how the front side of the doorknob comes out, and this is the latch. Now if you see, this is the hole for the doorknob. This distance is called the backset. So when you are replacing a old knob from with a new knob, you have to take care that your new knob has the equal amount of backset. If the backset is not of equal amount, then you will have to increase the length or decrease the length accordingly.